Most people look at HelloFresh and think weight loss, because it looks healthy and it's home cooked. But this is exactly why my client Sarah's progress flatlined, because she assumed that since it looked healthy, it would automatically make her lose fat. But she was unknowingly crushing almost 1,000 calorie dinners with barely enough protein to maintain muscle. She hired me to help her lose fat, and now I'm replacing her entire HelloFresh menu. And the criteria is under 500 calories, over 40 grams of protein, and ready in under 14 minutes. Okay, so Sarah's just sent me her menu from last week HelloFresh, so let's break it down. Meal 1 is a honey salmon. All right, that's interesting. It takes about 35 minutes to make. Gives you 34 grams of protein, but it comes in at 740 calories. That is not bad protein-wise, but calorie-wise, it's a lot for one meal. So if we're replacing that dish, let's keep the protein source the same there, and let's keep it meal 1 a fish dish. All right, let's check out meal 2. It's a spicy chicken lo mein. 20 minutes to make only, has 38 grams of protein and 620 calories. So we're gonna keep meal 2 a chicken meal because we're gonna keep the protein source the same. And meal 3, the Baja fish tacos, 910 calories. God damn, that's a lot of calories for one meal, especially if you're a woman. Only 40 grams of protein, and when I say only, I know 40 grams is a lot, but calorie to protein wise ratio, it's not that great, and it takes 30 minutes to prep. So meal 3, let's keep the theme like a taco style meal. So meal 3 is gonna be a taco meal because everybody loves tacos. All right, meal 1 is a fish meal, but we're ditching the salmon because here's the thing. Farm Atlantic salmon isn't the superfood that it's marketed to be. And trust me, I'm from Norway. I'm filming this from Norway. We know this shit. It's not the worst thing you could eat, obviously, but it's definitely not the best, especially if you're trying to lose weight. So instead of using salmon, we're gonna use 200 grams of cod, which is white fish, because white fish is way better than fatty fish or like salmon and mackerel, especially if you're trying to lose weight, because 200 grams of cod versus 200 grams of salmon both have 41 grams of protein, but 200 grams of cod is only 176 calories, while 200 grams of salmon is 411 calories. So to prepare the cod, we're gonna season it with lemon pepper and salt, and then we're gonna put it in the air fryer for 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 9 minutes. But we still need healthy fat because our body depends on it to feel good, but we're not going to get it from a sketchy farm fish. So what we're going to use instead is 100 grams of avocado. So while the fish is cooking, use half a normal size avocado or a really small one and just mash it up, and avocado will give you the fat and the fiber which you need to feel satiated. Next is 100 grams of mangoes, and I'm about to show you the most efficient way to cut the mango, and I'm not gonna lie, I learned it from TikTok. It's kind of embarrassing, but it works. It's efficient, it's fast, no mess, just like how us men should be.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Now for the sauce, we're making a berry sauce. And you're thinking berry sauce on fish, that's kind of unorthodox. It is, but it works, trust me. So we're gonna use 100 grams of fresh strawberries, 40 grams of fresh blueberries, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're gonna blend it in a blender because it makes it a lot easier. Then it's done. Doesn't have to be more difficult than that. So here's how you plate it. Cod right on top of the mashed avocado, fresh mango around it, berry sauce drizzled over, and the stats, 486 calories versus HelloFresh's fish meal, which had 740 calories, 45 grams of protein versus HelloFresh's 34, that's 254 fewer calories, and 10 grams more protein. And the best part, it takes less than 10 minutes to make versus 35 minutes. If you want all the ingredients for these recipes, it's in the link in the description. You can get the full shopping list at Target, so it makes it easy for you to recreate these meals is in the link in the description, so check it out. For meal 2, for the chicken meal, we're doing chicken with street corn and cauliflower rice. And here's how to make it. Start with 200 grams of raw chicken breast, but the key is getting it pre-cut, because with smaller pieces, you'll taste more of the seasoning and it gets faster done in the air fryer. Season it with paprika, salt, and pepper. And if you like it spicy, add some cayenne, then put it in at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius, for 13 minutes. So while the chicken cooks, we're making the rice, but we're not using regular rice, we're using organic cauliflower rice. It's so convenient, and one serving is only 20 calories. And you can make it so simple, you just put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes and it's done. It's fast, it's easy, there's no dishes. You don't have to fucking stir it every 30 seconds or worry about the rice burning on the pot. Anyways, now for the corn. 100 grams of drained corn, half a tablespoon of light mayo, 1 tablespoon of fat-free plain yogurt, then 0 to 3 teaspoons of hot sauce, depending on how likely you'll be targeted by ice. Or just how spicy you like it to be. There's no calories in hot sauce anyways. 2 tablespoons of crumbled fat-free feta cheese and 1 to 2 grams of cilantro, but it's optional because you either absolutely love cilantro or you hate it. Anyways, you just mix it all together, so it's super easy. And the stats: 422 calories versus HelloFresh's 620, 67 grams of protein versus HelloFresh's 38. That's 200 fewer calories and almost 30 grams more protein. And the best part? It takes less than 15 minutes to make. And by the way, if you're from Alabama and you want to make it for 2 persons, just double ingredients. If you're making it for 3, just triple it, etc. Simple math. Meal 3, replacing the Baja fish tacos, which is by far the worst offender, 910 calories. We're making what I call the simple man's taco. It's not very fancy, it's very simple, but it's fucking good, and you can't really mess it up. Start with 100 grams of 93% lean ground beef. Why lean ground beef? Because the leaner the beef, the more protein you get without the extra calories. You season it with pre-made Mexican spice mix. Basically no calories in those, so you can use as much as you want. Cook it in medium heat in a pan for 5 to 7 minutes until it's done. Now, for the tortillas, we're using low-calorie tortillas. The small ones, 4 small tortillas, is only 90 calories here. And small tortillas are way better because you get to eat 4 instead of 2 big ones, because eating 4 takes longer time and you feel full by the time you're done, instead of eating 2 which you'll slurp up in 30 seconds like an anteater.
I mean, come on. I know you. You know you. And I know you know that I know you.
Start with 8 tablespoons of low-fat cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons in each tortilla, then 1 tablespoon of ready-to-serve salsa on each tortilla. The salsa is under 20 calories, so if you want, you can have more. It's not a big deal. Add a 1/4 cup of reduced fat shredded cheese, about 70 calories, and 30 grams of arugula, also known as rockets. Layer it all on your tortillas. Beef, tortilla, salsa, cheese, arugula, done. And the macros, 472 calories versus HelloFresh's 910, 50 grams of protein, versus their 42 grams, 440 fewer calories with 8 grams more protein. And the best part? It takes about 10 minutes to make versus their 30. So, on average, these meals are 293 calories less than their HelloFresh counterparts, which might not sound a lot per meal, it's only 300 calories, but if you multiply that by 7 days, that's over 2,000 calories per week. And for someone like Sarah, who is a woman, that might be a day and a half worth of calories. And these meals are not only faster to make, but remember they're higher in protein. But obviously, the real question is, do they taste as good as HelloFresh? So, how did the meals taste?
Better than I expected. The fish was really good. And I've lost 3 pounds this week.
And the rest was good also?
Yeah. My kids love the tacos and the chicken was good too.
Let's go. If you also need help with your nutrition, training, or both, check out the first link in the description because I always offer a money-back guarantee, so you either get results or you don't pay. And if you want to try out these meals yourself, ingredient list is also in the link in the description. But before you continue your fat loss journey or start it, here's something you should know, which a lot of people get wrong. They think their goal should be for fat loss to look like an influencer at 10% body fat because that's what winnings looks like, right? Wrong. I made that mistake. I got down to 10% body fat. I made massive progress, but I didn't look lean or shredded. And it made me really unhappy for a long time because I didn't look like the guys on social media, which I expected when I lost the weight. And it really messed with my head for a long time. It really fucked me up, honestly. And here's what I realized. People on social media, they have elite genetics. It's like 1 in a million. And a lot of them are on gear also, which I don't recommend you to take unless you're really insecure. The point is, because for someone with elite genetics, 10% body fat is super easy for them. But if you're overweight, losing 20 pounds, and being able to run a 5K could be your World Cup final, and it's way more impressive in my opinion. So my point is that you should set your own goals, realistic goals based on your life, your situation, and what actually matters to you. Because if you don't set your own goals and follow someone else's goals, you'll burn out and you'll quit. And setting your own goals would obviously help you enjoy the process more, and it's much easier to be consistent. If you want to know what your goal should actually look like and what different body fat percentages actually looks like in real life, I made a full visual guide. It's in this video. You can click on it and it can help you set realistic goals. Thank you guys for so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, keep thriving, and I hope I see you over there. Peace.